Hello and welcome to another YouTube tutorial on this channel. This is the part 2 of the TikTok monetization course, and in this particular video I'm going to be showing you the next steps after creating your account, how to properly set up your account to make sure it goes with the TikTok rules and regulations and doesn't go against it, how to make sure you get the most out of everything, and just the general setup guide for your account. So I'll head to my TikTok app right now. First of all, before I open the app, I'll have to go to the app settings. And when you go to the app settings, you go to storage and cache. So you click on it, then at the bottom, you will see clear data, clear storage, or clear files. So you click on it and you proceed to clearing the storage, that is the data of the TikTok app. Then after you do that, you just go and exit the setting. So you go ahead to launch the TikTok app. So when you're in the app, because you just launched it for the first time, it doesn't recognize any previous logins or any previous sign-ins. You will have to fill in this form, choosing what you like or what your channel is basically about. This part is important because it helps the TikTok algorithm to know what your channel is about, if it's about anime, if it's about gaming, fitness, whatever. So I'm just choosing everything to show you an example, but when you want to do this, make sure you choose what relates closely to your account. So when you finish picking them, you go to next, then you have to scroll one or two videos, then go to your profile. And as I said before, do not log in using your Google account. Use your phone email username. Don't use the Google account, use the phone email or username section. So you go ahead and click on it, and you move from the phone number section to the email slash username section. Then you put the email that you used to create the account. The one I'm putting, the one that I used to create the account in the previous video. So you just go ahead and press next. Then you wait for the verification code to be sent to the email. Okay, so when it's sent, you just go ahead, you check the code, and you go ahead and type it down. So as you can see, I've successfully logged in the account. So I'll go to my profile right now, and you see the account is new. So this part is very, 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 very important. Make sure you pay attention to it. This is very important. So you go to your settings and privacy, this section over here, then you click on it. Then you go to activity center under content and display. Your activity center, you click on it. Then it takes you here, and you go ahead and you click on your account history, and you look at the very first message or notification here where is written account created. So you can see here, I created from web in United Kingdom, England, Portsmouth. So this account is verified and is a legit UK account. So if you clicked on it and you see another address, then maybe your address where you stay or somewhere else, somewhere different, just know that your VPN was not strong enough, or there was a problem in creating the account, so the account is not a valid UK account, so you can't use it. So next you head to your ChatGPT, then here you used it to create your TikTok bio and other useful information. So you just have to, it's very advisable to give ChatGPT the exact details of everything you've done, what your intention of creating the account is, so it can give you specific tailored bio and your profile picture according to what you have given it. So it is very, very, very important. Make sure you take your time, explain everything, and just give it the full gist of the account you have created. Okay. So you can see I gave it all the information it needed, and I told it to create a nice bio for me. The thing about ChatGPT is that it understands the limit of every social media platform. It knows the limit of their description and bio box. So it makes the description or bio for your particular channel to be according to the character limit. So it doesn't go above the allowed character limit or word limit. So right here, I'm going for option two because I just like how it is structured. It's very easy, it's eye-catching, and it just gives you the general gist of the page. So you just go ahead and copy it. Then you go to your TikTok account back, and you have to put it in your bio. So you go to edit at the top of the page. You click on edit, then it takes you here. So now you can easily just go and paste what you've copied from ChatGPT right here. So there's a very important thing you need to do here, and that is adding your email for contact, for sponsorship, promotions, because as you grow and as the account grow, you have to get brand deals, maybe some if you are posting about a particular thing, maybe you post tech reviews or product reviews. There are some companies that would like to reach out to you to make videos about them, sponsored content, sponsored pages, or promotions, just general advertisements for individuals or for businesses. So you have to make sure you leave your email address here so that you'll be very easy to contact. So you can just put it here, promos, sponsorship inquiries, and yeah, that is about it. So we've gotten the bio now. So the next step is the profile picture. So thank God ChatGPT is an all-round AI. It can create and do almost everything for you. So before I do this, I will go on and I will change it to creative mode, because if you want to create an image, it's better to put it in creative mode so it can create the best type of image. So instead of just putting it in the general mode, you have to focus on creative mode so you can bring the perfect profile picture to you. So you just go and type the description, what exactly you are looking for, what you need, the color combination, and whatever. So when you've done that, it will start generating. So I think I'm going to pause the video somewhere here. So when it's finished generating the, yeah, so I just played the video now and it's finished generating the profile picture, and as you can see it's very minimalistic but it's very nice. I don't mind it because most of the time people don't usually go on and check your TikTok profile. It's about the video that you post, and this is very plain. It shows the name of your channel, so it's very easy. So you just go ahead, go back to your TikTok, upload the photo to your TikTok profile. So you go here, select the photo, then you set up the angle and make sure the picture is properly set up on your profile. So you also go ahead and post it to your story just to, you know, make your account look legit. One thing about this UK account is that do not be afraid to be free with the account. It's just like your normal account. Some people might tell you that you need to use VPN to log in or do whatever. Just use the account as if it's your normal TikTok account that is with the monetization program. So you can see the account is created, it's looking nice. So I'll go ahead and add the name to the account. So you already know by now that the account is for UI clip, just about posting clip and whatever. So you just go ahead and save it. So this is the last step in the account creation process. So as you can see, the page is looking very professional, very nice. The profile picture, the bio, everything is looking very sleek. So this is the second part of the video. In the third part, I'm going to be showing you how to source videos to post. You understand? So this is the main part, because you have already confirmed that your account is legit UK account. So go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you get alerted when next I drop a video. Thank you and goodbye.